Are you ready to nail party?
Today I'm going to share with you how to clean your brush. Your Tammy brush cleaner is your brush's best friend. Kolinsky Red Sable brushes are expensive, and with proper care, your brush can last over 2 years. But cleaning your brush with acetone or cutting out hardened acrylic will ruin your brush, making it last maybe a couple months. My unique formula of brush cleaner was formulated with nail liquid in it, so it conditions your brush as it cleans. I will be showing you how easy it is to keep your brush clean and beautiful, even if you get hard acrylic stuck in it. And I always have 2 brushes, so if one brush gets dirty, you can use your clean one while the dirty one is soaking. Pour your brush cleaner into your deep well ceramic dapping dish and place your brush into the brush cleaner. Never pull on your bristles or use scissors. This will permanently ruin your brush. Just gently remove the softened acrylic on a towelette. How amazing was that? All that hardened acrylic came right off my brush so easy. And with maintenance like this, your brush can last you for years. After you clean your brush, dip your brush into your nail liquid and then wipe it off on your towelette. This gets your brush ready to make beautiful nails.